Is Tesla smarter than you? The shocking truth behind Tesla cars. Is it possible that your car knows you better than your own family? Is Tesla really smarter than you? Let's find out. What makes Tesla feel alive? Tesla isn't just a car, it's a computer on wheels. It listens, it sees, it predicts. It opens the door when you walk near. It closes it when you're safely inside. It updates itself over Wi-Fi, yes, like your phone. And when you make a mistake, it learns. So it doesn't. So, who's really driving? Real features that feel unreal. Autopilot that keeps you centered and safe. Smart summon that brings the car to you. Dog mode, so your pet stays comfy while you shop. Sentry mode, like a bodyguard with cameras. Voice commands that actually listen. And don't get me started on the 17-inch screen that controls everything, from temperature to karaoke. It's like having a spaceship that obeys. Who should buy a Tesla? This car isn't for everyone. It's for people who love tech, people who hate gas stations, people who want silent speed, people who appreciate constant upgrades, but it's not for people who never update their phones, people who forget to charge things, or those who like fixing their cars the old-school way. Tesla is less of a car, more of a lifestyle. Tips before buying your first Tesla. Don't buy it like a normal car. Research first. Test drive different models. Each feels unique. Choose charging options that fit your daily route. Understand the costs of repairs. They're different. And don't worry about resale. Teslas hold value better than many. Bonus tip. Join a Tesla owners group. You'll learn more in a week than you can from YouTube. Closing. So, is Tesla smarter than you? Maybe not, but it's definitely getting close. At least it doesn't forget birthdays, or eat your fries when you're not looking. If your car ever laughed at you, it was probably a Tesla. Hit that subscribe button before it subscribes for you, and give us a like, because your future car is already watching.